Go POV! Tara!
Welcome to Kauri Island! Mabuhay! Welcome po sa Kauri Island. Meron po kaming mga bagong activity like jet ski, banana boat, at meron din po kaming kayaking, volleyball, henna tattoo, massage area, and bar and restaurant.
So yun na guys, alam nyo ba na may 10% off promo sila katulad ng entrance, bangka, kayak, jet ski, banana boat, henna tattoo at massage. What are you waiting for? Ano? Tara!